welcome to our new topic. So today we'll now be discussing about the derivation of the formula for the regular payment and the time of the future value of ordinary annuity. For example, or say for instance, if we have a formula, we can make use of this one and derive a new formula for a specific topic or a specific variable. Example, in this case, this one is an example of, or this is a formula for the future value of ordinary annuity. Then we can make use of this to derive the formula for the regular payment and also for the time. Okay, let us first derive this regular payment. So number 1, how to derive for dr. Now, since we are looking for the formula for r, so we need to eliminate all of this to get the value of r. So to do this one, let us first copy the formula. F equals r times 1 plus r over m mt minus 1 r over m. Okay, what you're going to do is to, since r is multiplied to this number, so or to this expression, we can make use of the division to cancel out this number, this expression. So since we want to cancel out all of this, so we can multiply both sides of the equation by the reverse of this, r over m over 1 plus r over m mt minus 1. And so with this, we have r over m, r over m, quantity 1 plus r over m, mt minus 1. Now, why is it that we multiply this one to both sides of the equation? Because this one is being multiplied by r, and then if we're going to eliminate this one, we need to multiply it by its reciprocal. Okay, since this one is the reciprocal of this one, or this one is the reciprocal of this one, so we can cancel out this. Cancel. So we will left with the variable r. Then we can multiply f to this, so this will become f times r over m all over 1 plus r over m raised to the power of mt minus 1. So in other words, the formula for the regular payment is simply equal to the future value times r over m all over 1 plus r over m power of mt minus 1. Okay, so next is let us derive the time t. So again, we'll first copy this formula for the future value of ordinary annuity. So f equals rate or the regular payment 1 plus R over M MT minus 1 all over R over M. Okay, the goal here is to look for the T, the formula for the time, or T. Now, since we are looking for the value or the formula for the time, we need to eliminate first this one, this R over M. Then to do this, since this is the denominator, so we can make use of, we can multiply both sides of the equation by R over M. So R over M. Then this one, this whole part here, R over M. Then just cancel out this R over M. Then we have rate times F is FR over M equals R, regular payment times the quantity 1 plus R over M MT minus 1. Okay, next, let us eliminate this regular payment. So to eliminate this one, we need to divide both sides by the regular payment. So we have divided by R equals R, or the regular payment, times 1 plus R over M MT minus 1 all over R over R, or the regular payment. Then next is cancel out this 2 R's, so we will left with FR over M over all over R is simply FR over MR equals this portion 1 plus R over M MT minus 1. Okay, next, we need to get rid of this negative 1. So the opposite of negative 1 is, or subtraction is positive or plus. So we will add 1 both sides. So this is FR over MR. So just add 1 here and also 1 here, plus 1 equals 1 plus R over M raised to the power of MT minus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus negative 1 plus 1 is simply 0. So this will be left in this left side of the equation. So we can write it this way: FR over MR plus 1 equals 1 plus R over M raised to the power of MT. Okay, next, we need to eliminate this one, the M exponent, or the exponent which is M. So basically we will do or put the reverse of this M. we need to eliminate this one, and we will make use of the concept of square root, or the roots, or the nth root. So this is, since this is the power of m, so we will be using the nth root, the reverse of m, the power of m, which is the nth root. We will simply put nth root both sides. Quantity 1 plus r over m, empty. So since this one is the reverse of this, and also this one is the reverse of this, so we can simply cross out this or cancel. Next, let's rewrite this one, the nth root of f r over m r plus 1 equals the quantity 1 plus r over m raised to the power of t. And also we can exchange these two, the left and the right side of the equation. So we can make use of 1 plus r over m, since they are equal, so we can exchange this. T equals the nth root of f r over m r plus 1. Then finally we'll be using the concept on the logarithm and the exponents to convert this, or to write the value of, or the formula of the time in years. So this one will become t equals the logarithm of this number or expression, nth root of f r over m plus 1, then the base is 1 plus r over m, 1 plus r over m. So that's it. This is how are you going to transform the formula of the future value of ordinary annuity to, we have the first is the regular payment, the formula for regular payment, and also the formula for the time, which is t equals logarithm of the nth root of f r over m plus 1 to the base 1 plus r over m. So like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified with the future videos, and also don't forget to stay tuned for another videos. Thank you.